Oh my gosh, hi friends, how y'all doing? I hope everyone is staying safe, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves. So we're back with another keto, what I eat in a day. So what I'm gonna start my day with is Alani new whey protein. Is the fruity cereal, and it has 113 calories in it. It has 2 total carbs. The protein is 23, and it has 1 total fat. And what I'm going to pair that up with is this almond milk, and this is by Almond Breeze, and it's the sweet and unoriginal. And the total fat in this is 2.5 grams. It has 1 carb, less than 1 dietary fiber, no added sugar, and the protein is 1 gram. So I am going to do 12 fluid ounces of the almond milk, and I'm going to do 1 scoop of the whey protein. Now I like to use my shaker bottle to measure stuff out, so I'm just gonna grab my shaker bottle. Then I'm gonna put 12 ounces of that Almond Breeze and then shake it up and get to drinking. By the way, this top is from Old Navy. It's just the white and yellow striped shirt. I bought it last year, so they might not have it in stock. But if you was wondering, if you can record with one hand and still do stuff, I give you so much props you don't even understand, because I be having some difficulty trying to hold this camera, even though it's on a tripod too, and still try to do stuff. Like, so anyway. Oh, and you might be thinking, why are you drinking a protein shake and it has so much protein in it? Aren't you on keto? Yes. And because I am doing some like heavy lifting, I want to have that fuel in me. I want that protein in me. And with me, I just know that the more protein I have, along with the healthy fats I put in my system, I'll be good to do the powerlifting and strength training and all that I need to do. So once you learn what your body likes and doesn't like while you're on keto, you'll see and you'll get to figure out like what you can have, what you should have, what you shouldn't have, and all that good stuff. So this works for me. I feel really good with my workout after I do drink some protein. Just to answer a question that may pop up, you still want to have moderate protein. So if you're new to my channel, I mentioned this. If you're returning to my channel, you already know what I'm probably gonna say. But you want to keep healthy fat high, you want to keep your protein moderate, and you want to keep your carbs low. So that's how it works. And protein is just another way to get your protein in. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a body arm water. This is the 1 liter, and this is what I'm gonna drink until it's time for me to eat my brunch. So I'll see you then. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, and if you're returning, y'all already know I like these eggs. But if you're new, I like the Organic Valley organic free range large egg, and I'm gonna have 2 of these eggs, and I'm gonna add a slice of cheese to my eggs. I'm also gonna put salt and pepper on my eggs. That's how I cook my eggs, and I like them scrambled. I'm gonna add this Organic Valley half and half lactose free. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons to my coffee. I'm gonna add this MCT oil. I'm gonna have a tablespoon of this, because if you see here, the total fat is 14 grams. So get you some MCT oil, because this is gonna help put that fat into your coffee. I'm gonna use this Sola sugar, and I made a little short to show I tasted their bread. I really like their bread. It's so good. And I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but that's how I've heard people pronounce it. So if I said it wrong, please correct me. Thank you very much. Avocado. This is an organic avocado, and I'm just gonna have 1. It's very small, so that's gonna be my healthy fat. I'm gonna add this creamy Italian garlic dressing. Oh no! And the fat in this is so 2 tablespoons, you get 19 grams of fat. So this is gonna really, you know, make a healthy fat. I'm gonna add this to my avocado. And then the coffee I'm gonna have is this tiramisu coffee. So I'm gonna have 8 ounces of that, and that is going to be my breakfast. So I shall return when everything is all said and done. Oh, also with the eggs, I'm gonna cook it in some Kerrygold butter. I'll link up one of my what I eat in a day to show y'all that butter. So I'm gonna have I don't know, probably a tablespoon of it. I don't know, a teaspoon, I don't know. I'm just gonna add it to the pan and just go crazy. So yeah. I'll be back. Hey y'all, so this is my coffee here. I added 2 teaspoons of sugar to my coffee. I added 3 half and half. I added 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, and of course the coffee. So yes, this is gonna be my my brunch. And I'm also gonna finish up my body armor water. So I'm gonna finish the rest of this. This is how much I got to go, so just about halfway, and I have until I work out to finish all this up. So I shall return for a snack. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I've been having a difficult time getting like some greens in. Like, I eat my vegetables, I will, but as of recently, I just been not in the mood to have them. I've been in a smoothie kick for the past couple weeks. I don't know why. I do like smoothies though. I like to drink up my fruit rather than eat it. Honestly, if I could just drink my food and drink liquid to survive, I think that's exactly what I would do. But anyway, so because I want a smoothie and because I have to get my greens in, I'm going to use half of this, yes, half of this container, and I'm going to use a cup of my berry medley frozen berry package. I have a haul that I did with this particular fruit in it, so I will link that right above so y'all can see that haul. I'm going to make me up a smoothie and I will show y'all what it looks like in a moment. So for sanitary reasons, I decided to transfer everything into this washing basket. I guess that's what it can be called. I got this off of Amazon. And by the way, I'm going to use water in my smoothie. I know, probably. Actually, I'll be using this mango juice cocktail. And this is a low carb drink. It has 2 carbs per 8 fluid ounce. And it has 1 total sugar, no added sugar, no fat, no protein, no none of that. So instead of using like water or almond milk again, because I already had almond milk, I already had half and half, I don't want to add that into my smoothie. So this is gonna be my little juice for the day, because I've been drinking water all day and I have my fatty coffee. I'm gonna treat myself with some juice and I'm gonna put it in my smoothie. And yes, I have did this before with the spinach, with the berries and all that, and it tastes pretty good. So this is what everything looks like. See how I got it to close? Spinach is so like fake. Even when you cook it down to be all small, like, bro, I paid like $5 to eat you and all you give me is a small little portion. But anyway, so this is what everything looked like. So I'm gonna blend it up and get to drinking this. And things like berries and spinach, they're very good on keto. I mean, you still need your vegetables, your fruits while you do keto, and the best fruits to eat while you're on keto is berries. And actually, I was gonna say like what my doctor told me, but I guess I'll just wait until I do a Q&A just to like say what my doctor told me to do and what are some good fruits and vegetables to have. So I'll just wait until another time to explain all that, because today is a what I eat in a day, not what my doctor told me and what I should be eating in a day. So this brown concoction, you know, it don't look too pleasing at all, but you know what, it doesn't matter because I'm getting nutrients, I'm getting something that my body like, and I know it's gonna taste good. I just feel like I still need to gain y'all trust that I really be eating this stuff and I really be out here doing what I'm saying that I'm doing to lose these inches. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little taste for you guys. That way y'all see that I really be drinking this stuff and not just doing it for play or for show, because y'all know people be doing stuff for clout, right? Alright, so, and it's all for me anyway. Ooh, this tastes so good. You don't even taste the spinach, you taste the juice, you taste the berry. That outpowers the spinach. And you would think, because I had a lot of spinach in the smoothie, you would think that I would taste more of that. No honey, I've been doing this for almost a year now, well, more than a year, but taking it serious of doing this for a year. So I found out how to make things sweet and make it taste good to me. Try my recipe and let me know if you like it or not. I mean, I like it, of course, because I'm the one who made it and I know how to make it taste good for my own satisfaction. But let me know if you try it out and if you like it for real. So before I forget, this is the 2 things I had for my workout. I have videos on the Beyond Raw Lit Jolly Rancher. I did watermelon and I did green apple. And because they didn't have those flavors inside the store, I ended up getting blue raspberry. And with this, so this has 4 carbs in it, so it's not gonna kill me. I try to keep under 50 grams of carbs a day, and this really gets me pumped up. And for my BCAA, I have the grape flavor, which it tastes like medicine, but it's still pretty good. And there is can we focus please? There's 6 grams of carbs in this one. So again, not gonna kill me. I'll be all right. Ignore if you hear my brothers in the background, you know, it is what it is. And I promise I'm not on a mango kick. This is just the one that I grabbed, for real. So I'm gonna have a keto ratio keto friendly mango yogurt. I'm gonna add chia seeds, hemp hearts, and flax seeds. So this is how everything is looking before I mix everything up. Usually I add pecans to my yogurt depending on how much fat I got in for the day. And I don't feel like adding that in today, so I'm just gonna have my little bird feed because it looks like a whole bunch, well, it is a whole bunch of seeds with some yogurt. But this is what it looks like before I mix it all in. And this is how everything looks after I mix it all together. So again, I know it don't look pleasing. I know it don't, but it's healthy and it's good and it works for me. And you know what? Whatever works for me, that's what I'm gonna do, because I need to lose these inches and this stuff helps me lose inches. And with the amount of fiber it has, it's definitely gonna help me out. So I'm gonna enjoy my snack. I'm gonna finish up my BCAA and then I will be back for my dinner because I still need to get the rest of my fats in for the day. So I'll be back. My second bottle is also done and I'm done drinking water for the rest of the day. Got my half gallon in for the day. I'm gonna put you in my video. I already started recording. So it's time for dinner and I'm gonna have a hamburger. Ma, you gonna heat up my hamburger for me?
What do you want? Hamburger, fries, cookies?
I'll see where I get my sense of humor from. Trying to clown me, but that's all right. So right now I got the hamburger just heating up in the microwave and I'm gonna do lettuce. I'm gonna do mayo to get that extra fat in. And then I'm gonna call it a day. I don't know who this camera thinks it is showing up on me. Anyway, and shout out to my girl Keela because she's the one who mentioned this strawberry Zevia in one of her videos. And because I live in the hood and we ain't got nothing, I had to order these on Amazon. So girl, Keela, you should have never mentioned this because now I'm about to be buying it all up and I'm sorry. But thank you so much for putting like everyone on with this. And I will leave the link to her channel down below, so make sure y'all go check out her channel. Any channel that I mentioned, please go check people out. If y'all see one another commenting down in the comments, please just show love to one another, you know? That's what I'm about, networking, showing love, all that. So let's all connect. But anyway, so I'm gonna have this too because I'm gonna treat myself because I want a little soda taste. So yeah, I'll show y'all what the burger looks like as soon as it's done. You dig? I got some onions here, I got some mayo, I got tomatoes, and I got my burger. And this is how I'm gonna eat my hamburger. And yes, it's on a plastic plate. I don't feel like washing dishes, okay? I got the itis. I am so tired. I had an early start to my day today, and then my workout, I did a crazy workout and it felt so good. And then that food, I'm ready to go to big bed, but I'm gonna wait at least an hour so I can let my food do its thing inside my belly and flow through the system and, you know, do its thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in the day. Be sure to subscribe to see more. I think that I'm going to try to at least post 3 times a month of what I eat in the day. That way you guys get to see what I actually eat to help me lose inches. If you guys like this video, give it a like. If you don't like it and you want to give it a dislike, please let me know what I could do differently or what I could do better or what I can do to cater to your need. Be sure to share this video with people that you know that are on keto or trying to figure out what they should eat based on like somebody else's experience, or just get different ideas of what they should eat or how to start eating according to keto. That's all I got for you guys. Please be safe, please stay healthy, please take care of yourselves. I really appreciate every single one of you. Subscribed, not subscribed, watching for 30 seconds, a minute. I just appreciate you. So until next time, Let me hear it. I'm gonna let y'all go first. I'm acting like I can really hear y'all through the camera. Type it down below in the comments. I'll do what? I'll do what? I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna go sleep.